Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina. We've got a pretty unusual day here in February, so I figured I'd go ahead and get the camera out here and take a look at the antenna. It's been about 6 months since the tower build. Wanted to give you guys an update on it, show you how it's holding up. Overall, I'm very pleased with it. You can see here, I don't know if you can see here with the way the sun is shining almost right at it. I'll walk over this side and we'll walk around the back and get a better look at it from that angle as well. But yeah, there it is, all the way up. So it has survived a hurricane, or the remnants of a hurricane that came through, but we did have some 80-mile-an-hour gusts. I got that recorded on my weather station here at the house, so that is right here local. And has also survived quite a few snowstorms over the last 2.5 months, including, what was it? There was like Superstorm or something like that. I can't remember the name of it, but got about 18 inches in one snowfall, so that was a good one. So no issues. It's working great. The Antron still works, which is a miracle. A little 2-meter directional antenna is pointing in the right direction still, which is nice. And even that very inexpensive VHF, UHF antenna that I picked up for TV signals is working. And of course the IMAX way up there at the top is working great. The Max 2000 as they call it now. So let me go ahead, I'll stop the camera here for a second, we'll walk around back and we'll take a closer look. All right, as you can tell, not a whole lot's changed back here. You know, the tripod setup is still working well. And as we roll up on this thing, getting a little bit of light rain here, so hopefully it won't get in the camera. You can see the tower is still standing straight. The Antron, the 2-meter ham antenna, and the TV antenna are all on the low end there. And then up there, way up there at the top, that's the IMAX 2000, or Max 2000 as they call it now. And that's working great. Haven't had great skip conditions here in a while, but other than that, I got no complaints. Really worked. Uh-oh, here comes the rain. Boy, that's bad timing, huh? Well, I guess I'll wrap it up.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet. Liberty sows its seed at Farpoint.